to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you not miss any videos from me. All right, let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, y'all, so I decided I wanted to bring you guys a hairstyle video today. I'm going to be recreating this hairstyle that I did over on Instagram for one of my Instagram reels, and y'all was liking that hairstyle. It's an older reel that I created last year, and I wanted to make a video for it. It was just so cute, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you might have not seen this hairstyle, so that's also another reason why I'm making this video. But it's like a space bun type of hairstyle, and I added some beads with my little twist on the side. It's so cute, y'all. And I added the little gold clips and everything, so I want to go ahead and recreate that style on here step by step. I'm gonna go ahead, add a little moisture to my hair because she is dry now. So I'm gonna use a spray bottle filled with water just to get a little damp. In that hairstyle, I had my hair in the middle part, so I'm gonna make sure my front part is clean and then just bring the part all the way to the back. Tie this portion away so I can work on one side at a time. Go ahead, spray some water just to get it damp. All right, after I have my hair damp, I'm gonna go in with some leave-in conditioner. This one is by Meech. It's the Lavish leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna probably just add 4 pumps to the hair, just to add back a little bit of moisture. The next thing I'm going to do is actually make these twists that I had on the side. So I'm going to part out a small section for my twist. I don't remember how thick I had it, but I know it was a good size section because them twists was juicy looking. And I'm going to stop the part, since it's not going all the way to the back of my head, I'm going to stop it right here where my behind my ear. So this is the size section that I have for the side of my twist. As long as the part looks clean, I'm good. It's not too crazy. Next thing I'm gonna do is add this braid gel by my L. Y'all know this is my favorite to help sleek down my parts. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and put some at the actual part. Smooth it down and where my edges are. After I add the braid gel, I'm gonna spray just a little bit more water and add a little bit more leave-in to this twist, just like a really tiny amount. And then I'm gonna begin twisting. This area was actually a flat twist, and I started it behind my ear. So instead of starting it right here, I started it this way so it can come forward and lay like this, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat twist. Alright, so that's the flat twist in, and after I put the flat twist in, I went ahead and had some beads on, so I'm going to put some beads on. So, got these beads off of Amazon. If you want these particular beads, I have them linked in my Amazon shop, so click the link in my description box. And I'm just doing a large, 2 mediums, and 1 small. And then I added like a gold clip right here in the middle of the twist, so I'm going to do that as well. Right there. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and make my space bun. So I'm gonna go in with the braid gel to put all around my edges so everything can look smooth. All right, after I added the braid gel, I'm gonna go ahead and start forming my hair on top of my head, and I'm going to use my Tanger Teaser to help brush the braid gel in and smooth everything out. All right, after I have everything smoothed out how I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and take my scrunchie. All right, so I wrapped the scrunchie around this section 4 times. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this section catched up to this side. All right, you guys, so I caught up the other side to where we are now. To finish up this hairstyle, you can wear it like this. Actually, this is kind of cute, but this is not how I had it. So I'm going to go ahead and split this section, the puffs, in half, and I ended up 2-strand twisting the puff because at the time my hair was in a much stretchier state. So I ended up 2-strand twisting this puff very loosely, so I'm going to do that. Might make it tighter towards the ends, put a little bit more leave-in conditioner at my ends. All right, after I do that side, I'm going to do this side, split it in half, and then I pull gently at the ends to get everything smoothed in one direction, and then add some leave-in at my ends so I can moisturize those. All right, so your hair should look something like this. And then I actually wrapped the twist around to form a bun. So it took me a minute to get this part situated in order for it to look how I wanted it to look. And I know this bun area is gonna look different than how it looked originally. So every time you do this style, it might look different. I'm just trying to get the actual form of the bun to be big. All right, so I got the buns situated. I'm about to go ahead and bobby pin some of these areas so they can lay down and be secured. So I'm gonna be using these gold bobby pins. I also got these from Amazon. They'll be on my Amazon shop as well. So click the link in the description box for that. But I'm gonna just bobby pin some of these areas that's sticking up to help shape the bun some more. You just have to play around with the bun formation or the bun shape because it's gonna be different every time. All right, this is so cute. This came out a little different than I had originally because my buns were a lot bigger, but this one is cute as well. All right, so you can stop here if you want, but you know me, I gotta be extra, okay? All right, the final step that I'm gonna do is add these gold clips onto the bun itself just to add something different to it. I was gonna add string at first. That was my original idea, but I ain't like how they look. That's why I added these, just to add a little spice to it. So I'm just gonna clip these all around the bun. All right, y'all, so this is how the buns look with the clips in. Super cute. Like I said, I just put them towards the front of my hair, but usually it'll be all around the bun. But I just put it on the front because I ran out, but you guys can get the gist of how it would look. All right, you guys, so this is how the completed hairstyle looks. It looks a little different than how I did originally. I will have the reel in this video so you guys can see how it looked originally. It was still cute. My buns just look a little smaller, but I think this is cute too. It's more towards the front of my head instead of towards the side, but yes, y'all, so this is the finished space bun hairstyle with a little spice on them. Got the beads with the twist, and we have the gold clip accessories inside of the bun area. Super cute. And you already know I gotta do a montage because we about to put the sass with it, okay? So montage in 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys, so that is the final hairstyle. I know space buns is done so many times, but we gotta add a little spice to it. We gotta add a little sass to it. We gotta add something to it to elevate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle video today, doing these space buns. Like I said, if you try this hairstyle, definitely feel free to tag me on Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you're the best music. And I will see you guys in my next one. My name is Iyana LeShea, and I am the creator, the owner, and illustrator for Iyana LeShea Illustrations. I started Iyana LeShea Illustrations back on October 25th, 2019. I create my own illustrations for t-shirts, sweatshirts, wall decor, poster prints, and more things to come when I expand my catalog. I'm not going to tell you yet, but it's a bunch more to come. I aim for my illustrations and my brand to empower, encourage, and inspire our Black community out here, y'all. We really need this. Some deals that I have on my shirts and products on my site right now is if you sign up for the newsletters, you will receive 10% off your first order. And also when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll be in the know about when I launch new products, when I launch new designs, what's new to come, early bird access to the new designs, details on how I came up with a specific design or a specific collection, and you'll also get some exclusive deals on the newsletter. So make sure you go check out my website and my brand at www.iyanalesheaillustrations.com, and I'll see you guys over there rocking your